यूथ ऑफ GSB ऑडियन्सांक नमस्कार. GSB समाजाचे मस्त सकट विषय घेवन तुमगेल मुखारी आमी हाडता आसताची. आज ही प्रिया बाळिगा हिगल एक स्टुडिओ ओपन केलेलो आसा. हाका प्रिया बाळिगा मेकअप अकॅडमी म्हणून नांव दवरला. हाजे ओपनिंग सेरेमनी कोडयालाचे मटदकणींतू नोव्हेंबर 10 जाल्ले. हे कार्यक्रमाक वाटिका पै आनी स्मिता कामत चीफ गेस्ट जावन आयलेलीची. हे कार्यक्रम कशे जाल्ले आनी मेकअप अकॅडमी ओपन जालेले कितले खूश आस म्हणून प्रिया बाळिगान आमगेलो टूर लायलेलो आसा. ह्याची ह्या एपिसोड आमी आतां पळोवया.
Long years of wait, dedication and hard work, finally the day has arrived. I heartily welcome you all for the inauguration program of Priya Baliga Studio Academy. The most eminent personalities, Mrs. Smita Kamath, a renowned makeup artist, and Mrs. Vatika Pai, young and beautiful woman entrepreneur. I request Mrs. Priya Baliga and Mr. Pavan Baliga to escort the dignitaries into the dais. Let us begin this beautiful evening by invoking God's blessings. Now I call upon Miss Aishwarya Sheth to lead us into prayer.
वंदन करता विनायका वंदन करता विनायका सुंदर सुमंगल वरदायका सुंदर सुमंगल वरदायका वंदन करता विनायका वंदन करता विनायका आरंभक मनाचे गणेश नाम आरंभक मनाचे गणेश नाम पूर्ण करता सानोड काम पूर्ण करता सानोड काम पूर्ण करता सानोड काम पूर्ण करता सानोड काम वंदन करता विनायका वंदन करता वंदन करता वंदन करता विनायका.
We have amongst us the chief guest, Mrs. Vatika Pai. She has completed her BCom from St. Agnes College and MBA from Manipal Institute of Management. She has secured first rank and gold medal in BCom under Mangalore University and also secured first rank and gold medal from Manipal University on completing her MBA. A second generation entrepreneur, she is leading operations at Nirmala Travels, a 50-year-old travel company. She is the proprietor of Vatika International Travels, established in the year 2007 into customizing holidays and experiences in India and abroad. Youngest president in the history of Canara Chambers of Commerce and Industry in the year 2017 and 18. She has completed her junior and senior exams in Hindustani classical tabla. She has won several awards, including FICCI Outstanding Contribution Award for being a young woman leader of industry and commerce in coastal Karnataka in 2021, FICCI Award for Outstanding Family Business in 2022, Nitte KBL MSME Business Excellence Award 2022 for being an outstanding woman entrepreneur, Spandana Awards for Best Woman Entrepreneurship, Power Awards for Best Family Business and Proud Alumni Award from St. Agnes College. Her achievements are much more. She is a versatile personality indeed, Now I request Mrs. Priya Baliga to florally welcome her. We have with us the guest of honor of today's program, Mrs. Smita Kamath, famously known as Ushaka. She is proud daughter of Venkatesh Kamath and Padmavati Kamath. She was very much passionate into mehendi and makeup art ever since her from college days. She has completed her BSc from Vijaya College, Mulki. She is born and brought up in Kinigoli and then getting married to Shivanand, she moved to Mudbidre. Later on, she got settled in Mangalore. She took her initial Amshi traditional makeup lessons from her aunt Sujata Nayak and then she did her advanced courses from Sridevi and Komal Rai. She started her artistry career since 1990. In the entire journey of 32 years into makeup artistry, she has trained 20 to 30 students and it's a proud moment that one among them is Priya Pavan Balika. She is also into gardening and singing. Now I request Mrs. Priya Baliga to florally welcome her. To inaugurate Priya Baliga Studio Academy. Before we begin, I call Miss Harshita, one of the leading makeup artists and good friend of Priya Baliga, to give small briefing on her journey.
ಇಂದಿನ ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತಾ ಇದರ ರೂವಾರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಬಾಳಿಗ ಪವನ್ ಬಾಳಿಗ ಅವರ ಕಿರುಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿಡಲು ಸಂತೋಷಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಪ್ರಿಯಾ ಪವನ್ ಬಾಳಿಗ ಎಂಬ ಹೆಸರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಚಿರಪರಿಚಿತ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪ್ರಸಾದನ ಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಪ್ರಿಯರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೂಲತಃ ಕಾಸರಗೋಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನಿಸಿದ ಇವರ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಹೆಸರು ಮಂಜುಳಾ ಭಟ್. ಇವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೌಢ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಕಾಸರಗೋಡಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಪೂರೈಸಿ ಪದವಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ನಾತಕೋತ್ತರ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರೈಸಿದರು. ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ಸಿರಿ ಮೊಳಕೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಎಂಬಂತೆ ಇವರ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಇವರ ತಾಯಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಭಟ್ ಅವರು ಸ್ವತಃ ಕರಕುಶಲ ಕಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಣಿತರಾಗಿದ್ದರು ಹಾಗೂ ತಂದೆ ರಾಮ್ ಚರಣ್ ಭಟ್ ಗಣಪತಿ ಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ರಚಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಯರ ಕಲೆ ಅರಳಲು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯರೇ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ. ತಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜು ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಗೆಳತಿ ಕಾಸರಗೋಡಿನವರೇ ಆದ ಅನುಷಾ ಕಾಮತ್ ಅವರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮದರಂಗಿ ಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು. ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಉದ್ಯಮಿ ಪವನ್ ಬಾಳಿಗ ಅವರನ್ನು ವಿವಾಹವಾದ ಇವರು ತನ್ನ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಲು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದಾಗ ಪತಿ, ಅತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕುಟುಂಬಸ್ಥರು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಹಕಾರ ನೀಡಿದರು. ತನ್ನ ಮೊದಲ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸ್ಮಿತಾ ಕಾಮತ್, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಅಚ್ಚುಮೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಉಷಕ್ಕ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವರಿಂದಲೇ ಕಲಿತರು. ತಮ್ಮ ವೈವಾಹಿಕ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ತಾಯಿಯಾದ ಇವರು ಒಂದೆಡೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪಾಲನೆ ಪೋಷಣೆಗಳನ್ನು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆಡೆ ತನ್ನ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸುತ್ತಾ 2018ರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇತನಾ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಲಾಂಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಅಭಿಜಾತ ಕಲೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಹೊಳಪನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಜೀವನದ ಪಯಣ ಉತ್ತುಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಏರಿದಂತೆ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡುವ ಕನಸನ್ನು ಕಂಡಿದ್ದರು. ಸಮಯ ಕಳೆದಂತೆ ಅನೇಕ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಗುರುಗಳಿಂದ ತಮ್ಮ ನೈಪುಣ್ಯವನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡರು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಝೊರೈನ್ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ, ಕ್ರೈಲಾನ್, ಚೆನ್ನೈನ ಅಸ್ಮಿತಾ, ದೆಹಲಿಯ ಮುದಿತ್ ಅರೋರಾ, ಈಶಾ ಖನ್ನಾ, ಪೂಜಾ ಖುರಾನಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಲೇಷಿಯಾದ ಬ್ಲಶ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೇಶವಿನ್ಯಾಸಕರಾದ ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮುಂತಾದವರು ಇವರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಂದ ಪ್ರೇರಿತವಾದ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲತೆಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಹೊಸ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಕೊಂಡು ಇಂದು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ನಾನು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ದಾರಿ ಎಳೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಳಗಿದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇಂದು ಸ್ವಂತ ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂದು ಅವರ ಕನಸಿನ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದು ಅವರ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಹಾಗೂ ಕಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಪ್ರೀತಿಗೆ ತಂದ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ. ಈ ಪಯಣದುದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಅವರ ಪತಿ ಪವನ್ ಬಾಳಿಗ ಬೆನ್ನೆಲುಬಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇದು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಯಿತು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತರೋತ್ತರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿ ಕೀರ್ತ ಶಿಖರವನ್ನೇರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹೃದಯ ತುಂಬಿ ಹಾರೈಸುತ್ತಾ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೋರೋಣ.
Now I request our chief guest, Mrs. Vatika Pai, to speak a few words in this beautiful occasion.
First of all, a hearty congratulations to Priya Baliga and her entire team. I've known Priya for a very long time now. I think right from the very beginning of her career, which is over, I think, 8+ years, 7 to 8 years ago, when she was just a budding artist. And today I feel so proud to see her being such a wonderful, not just a makeup artist, but such a wonderful entrepreneur herself. Because Mangalore is such a place where we have lots of functions, we have big families, and our women are always beautiful. We have all our Miss Worlds, Miss Universes from Mangalore and more. And each of us are Miss Worlds in our own way. We are all beautiful inside out. But we sometimes need a makeup artist to make us look more beautiful, enhance our beauty, or make us feel more confident when we maybe go to an event, go to a function or something like that. And that wonderful job is what these wonderful ladies have been doing for a very long time. And I've seen Priya being one of the most professional, the most dedicated, one of the most committed makeup artists. Okay, she doesn't know to say no. Okay, she will say yes to whatever you want, however you want, and she ensures she just does not make you look the way you want, but she'll enhance it further with her amazing skills. That is what Priya is. I've personally been associated with her for a very long time, and I really admire her commitment, her work-life balance, how she's managing her home and her studio. And I understand currently she has about 12 girls who she's trained and who are helping her as well. And that shows Priya is not just a makeup artist, but she's a budding entrepreneur, because at the end of the day, women will help women grow. And she is creating that opportunity for not just these girls, but I'm sure many more in the future. She's going to create many more amazing makeup artists, and she'll be a great teacher, I know. Like we have Smita ma'am here, she is her guru. She's also done a wonderful job of empowering someone like Priya. And I'm sure Priya will carry that mantle and empower many more in the days to come. And also congratulations and to Pavan, because I've seen what a wonderful husband he is, okay? Beyond every successful man, there is a woman, but there is also a man behind every successful woman. And I think that man is Pavan. And undoubtedly a very doting husband who's taken care of the kids very wonderfully and supported her in every small step that she has taken. So hearty congratulations to you, to Pavan. So wishing you, Priya, and your entire team, blue skies, green lights. May all the success be yours. May you grow leaps and bounds. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am. I request Mrs. Priya Baliga to hand over a token of love and gratitude to Mrs. Vatika Pai. I request ma'am to accept the same with love. It's a time to felicitate someone who has put the foundation into Priya Baliga's career. I would like to call Mrs. Smita Kamath to come forward and be seated front. I also request guest on the dais and Mr. Pavan Baliga to join. As we have come to the end of the formal program, before I end, I would like to call Mrs. Priya Baliga to share her experience as well as her feeling today, what she's currently going through. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Firstly, I would like to thank all of you for being here on this occasion. This is the first step towards the rest of my artistry journey. This studio was my dream for many reasons, like to give my best to all the clients, to build a better artistic community, sharing my knowledge and experience to them, for a better teamwork and coordination. Ultimate goal of having this academy is customers and student satisfaction. This is not an overnight shift. This took many years of efforts, dedication, passion, not just by me, but also from my entire team, my better half and my family. Special thanks to my family, Pavan, my apple of my eye, little twins Prerna and Prarthana, and auntie, and my parents, my in-laws, for always cooperation and coping up with all my work schedule. Pavan, without you, this wouldn't be possible. I wanted to speak more, but I'm so overwhelmed that I'm not getting any words to speak. I just need all of your support, blessings, and encouragement throughout. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Yes, we have seen her working day and night with all her mood swings, all her work schedule, busy schedule, family life, and even she is giving that time to her friends, to family, to work every day and night. We have seen her working sleepless nights. We have seen everything, like all the sides of her we have seen, and this is not really a overtime changes that she has got. This is not an overnight success that she has got. For this, she has worked for so many years with so much of sweat and blood she has put into this. And I wish all the very best for your future, and we will always be there. Now I call upon Miss Akshata Sheikh to render the vote of thanks on this evening.
Gratitude and not expressing. It is like wrapping a present and not giving it. It gives me an immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of Priya Baliga Studio Academy. I'd like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Vatika Pai, chief guest of today's event, who despite her busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion. Thank you, ma'am. I also would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Smita Kamath, our beloved Ushaka, for being a part of this special occasion. Thank you, ma'am. The word thank you falls short if I have to thank this one person who is the better half of Priya Baliga. He is the backbone of Priya Baliga as well as the academy. He is like a support system, none other than Mr. Pavan Baliga. Thank you, Pavan Anna, on behalf of all of us. You are the true motivator. Now, I'd like to thank our parents of Priya Baliga, Mr. Ramcharan Bhatt and Mrs. Jyoti Bhatt, for supporting her passion from the initial stage itself. Parents like you are the true inspiration. Thank you. Who would not pray for such type of in-laws as of Priya Baligas? Mr. Prabhakar Baliga, Mrs. Prema Baliga, Mr. Srinath Baliga, Mrs. Mamata Baliga, they are the one who believed in Priya Baliga's caliber and helped her to achieve her dreams. They are the reason for what she is now. In-laws like you are true motivation. Thank you. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the family members of Mr. and Mrs. Pavan Baliga for your support and encouragement. Thank you. I also would like to thank all the co-makeup artists and students of Priya Baliga for standing beside her and helping her in what she does. Thank you, all of you. I'd like to thank Goals Photography for capturing the beautiful glimpse of today's event. I would also like to extend my gratitude to Saraswati Kalats for the beautiful decor of the event, Sri Sai Chandes for making this event vibrant, Youth of GSB for the media coverage, Kamath Caterers for delicious food. I thank Ranganath Balika for being with us day and night working for the success of today's event. A special thanks to all the clients who believed in her and contributed towards her growth, hoping for the same in future. Last but not the least, I thank all those who have gathered here and made this event a grand success. There are many who deserve the gratitude, but not possible to make each one. I thank all of them for making this day happen. Thank you, one and all.
I request guests and all those who have gathered here to move into studio and officially inaugurate the scene. After the inauguration, the refreshments is being arranged and all of you all are requested to have your refreshments. Thank you and have a good day.
मस्त वरस दुखून मनशाक एक सप्पना म्हूण आसता खंयचे त्या न्हिदोच्या सोणाकी त्या सप्पन कंप्लीट केल्यार मात्र तांकां एक समाधान जाता. सो इतलें वरस दुखून मेकअप फिल्डांत येवन सिंगारसूचें काम शिकून सोनपूल मारचें शिकून मस्त मस्त खुशी मेळटा म्हाका. सो हांव आनी तो मस्त इंट्रस्ट घेवन आसता आशिल्ली. तांतूं मेन कसं आशिल्लें म्हळ्यार म्हाका एक स्टुडिओ काडका मस्त मन आशिल्लें. तो फायनली म्हाका ह्या एक सप्पन कंप्लीट जाल्ला. ह्या जस्ट एक आमगेले आमगेले म्हळ्यार मगल आनी म्हळ्यार टीम वर्क आमगेले जस्ट एक बिगिनींग म्हूण हांव लेखतस फस्ट स्टेप घेतस हांव ह्या स्टुडिओ ओपन करून विंगडांक चंद करचें मेकअप करचें हांतू पुरा लायक करूं पळयता. प्लस स्टुडंट्स कोण येता की तांकां पुरो चंद कोण शिकोवन कोणा इंट्रस्ट आसा की तांकांची एक कशें म्हणटा ती शिकून करून कोणा इंट्रस्ट आसा की तांणी पुरा चंदा एरिया फिल्डांत मुखार सोन सक्सेस जावचें तशें हांव पळोवन घेता. मागीर तांगेले सक्सेस तांगेले कामां वयर आसा की तांणी कितली सक्सेस घेता ती हांतू ह्या एक म्हगेलें सप्पन हांतू पळयलें तशी आशिल्ली एक ड्रीम स्टुडिओ. म्हगेले बामणू पवन बाळिगा म्हगेले फॅमिली कोणें तांणी ना जाल्यार हें जावचें साध्य नाशिल्लें. तांणी मस्त काम केलां. हांव बदक असं नाही कर न्ही हे स्टुडिओ डिझायन करचें या पुरो चंद करचें पुरो म्हगेल्या बामणान पळोवन घेतिला. तांगेले टीम आसता अपास म्हगेले कशी टीम आसा की तांगेली एक टीम आसता तांणी पुरो पळोवन घेवन चंद कोन्न दिला. हांतू मेन म्हगेले सक्सेसाचें कारण म्हणजे हांव म्हगेले कस्टमर्स तांणी मस्त चंद कोन्न म्हाका वयर विश्वास दवरून म्हाका आपोवन मेकअप करूं सांगून म्हळ्यार तांकां एक त्या खुशी भोगोवचें काम म्हाका खुशी दिसता आशिल्लें. तांकां एक चंद कोन्न तांगेल्या पशी 2 वांटान खुशी म्हाका जावचें हां म्हूण सांग. सो त्यात सॅटिस्फॅक्शन मेळना अशी हांव खंयच्या कस्टमराक सोड दिनाशिल्लें. सो तांणी तसले कस्टमरान मी ती हांव तांगेले बिलीव आनी तांणी विश केलेले हार्टफुल एक आशिर्वाद दिले मी ती हांव आतां ते हांगा पावलें आनीक मस्त शिक्को आसा आनी मस्त पुरो करूं आसा. मुखारी तुमगेलो आशिर्वाद आसूं का मुखारी तुमगेल्या विशेस आसूं का म्हूण हांव तुमगेला मागून घेता आसा. रिसेंटली आमगेले दिग्विजयान तो यूथ ऑफ GSBच्यान म्हाका एक चान्स दिवन मस्त मस्त एक एक्सप्लोर करूं दिल्लें म्हगेलो टू आनी मस्त आर्टिस्ट तांणी तांतू जॉईन जाल्ली तांकांय एक भाग्य मेळ्ळें स्वामीजी खातीर जेव्हा देवस्थाना देवाल खातीर जेव्हा एक सेव करच्याक आमकांय एक सेव करच्या ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळ्ळ्या म्हाका त्या एक तांणी विश्वासार इतले जनाल एक व्हड जबाबदारी दितना फर्स्ट मस्त मात ते होऊन जावन गेलेले बट तांगेले विश्वास तांणी केल्लें मी ती म्हाका ते करूंक जाल्ल्याक हांव मस्त तुमकां थँक्स सांगता यूथ ऑफ GSBक. आनी हांगा येवन म्हगेले सगळे फंक्शनाचे आनी पुरो हाजे तुमी इरवारी घेतला आनी तुमी इतले लायक करून आमकां एक वर्ल्ड वायड जावन आमकां एक फेमस करता आसा ती म्हूण सांगितलं इन अ व्हेरी गुड वे. तुमगेले इनिशिएटीव मस्त लायक आसता असल आर्टिस्ट तांकां पुरो कितलो तुमी सपोर्ट करता की तितलो आमकां मस्त खुशी आनी मुखारी म्हाका स्टुडंट्सांनी येता ती तांकां पुरो सपोर्ट करता कस्टमरां तांणी मस्त सपोर्ट करता म्हाका मस्त तुमगेले आशिर्वाद जावका. आज हांगा पुरा जनांनी येवन म्हाका आशिर्वाद दिवन विश करून तांगेले खुशी पळोवन म्हाका खुशी जावन मस्त तुमी म्हाका सपोर्ट केला आनी मुखारी अशी सपोर्ट करका म्हूण निमगून घेता आसा आशिर्वाद दिवका म्हूण निमगून घेता आसा. थँक्यू सो मच.